Okay, so I'm only really recording this part for the sake of documenting whatever I might find if anything funky. So we're gonna do the spark plugs first. All right. Cool. Oh, wow. Doesn't look great, but could be worse. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. There's something in the cylinder. All right. Woo! This one. None of them look terrible, but none of them look great. All right, one more. This one, the last one over here. Uh-oh, that one went further than I think it wanted to. That's all right. Now we can just sneak this back on and then drop these back in. You're playing. Boop. Come on up. You can't go away just yet. All right. Oh. Wow, that one looks worse than the others. That one also looks bad. Oh, that one hurt. Also sucks. And then this one didn't fuck my hand. All right, let's air it out and then get them out. These aren't terrible. Go ahead and slip this guy back down in his ear. I'm gonna fire it up, make sure everything sounds good, and then we're gonna swap these wheels. Oh, she sounds solid. All right, I'm gonna let her idle and we're gonna slap these wheels on.
Hell yeah.
They're not perfect, but they were cheap. It's not settled, but once it settles, I think it's gonna look so sweet. Trying to be careful with the Camry.
Yeah.
want the first thing I see to be whatever they look like after they've settled. So I'm gonna torque them down, I'm gonna take it around the parking lot, and then I'll get out and look. Oh, it runs so much better. Yeah, this thing looks wild. It runs so much better. Oh my God. Holy shit. This thing sounds wicked. The fuel system's cleaned up. It's got new plugs and wheels and damn. Oh, fuck. This thing's so cool. I'm so glad I bought this back. Oh my God!
Dude, this thing is fucking badass.
This thing sounds gnarly! Holy shit!
Hey, now it looks really good. You heard it from the outside? Those wheels really.
I have not. Give it a rev.
I should drive it. So
Just give it a little rev. Holy shit!
I think I have to drive it.
Fuck no! Damn. Oh, that's perfect.
No, you should see the one I put in the back of his car.
That's pretty fucking cool. That's perfect. Now I just gotta do a oil change and fuel filters and it's pretty much ready to go. You can see it's got a little bit of a leak, but that's fine. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna change the oil, change the fuel filters, and then I figured while we're at it, we're gonna take a whack at taking these faded bits of plastic and painting them black again. So let's go ahead and let's get started. First, I'm gonna go ahead and take this guy loose. Oh man. All right, put some gloves on. What size is that? Big? 17. Perfect. There we are. Oh. Yeah, that's not good. Yep. That is sparkly. There's definitely some bearing material in that. We're gonna enjoy it while we can. She don't have long, but she can still have fun. Just one? Son of a bitch. Okay, well, we're changing just one then. And this way. Wow. This is coming from the tank. Yep. Ugh. And then that's going away from the tank. Yep. I hope. Well, simple enough, but now I need to order another one. All right, so it needs one more fuel filter and a new engine. Cool. Until then, we're gonna keep on trucking. Let's make sure this is the right guy. Looks like it. New O-ring as well. Sweet. We need 7.9 quarts, so call it 8. This thing goes up to 8.5. That's it, I guess. Assuming it doesn't just fucking pop the second I fire it up. All right, so other than the outside of the grill bezel, I actually got everything painted black. The headlight grills, the inner grill is just like an undercoating, and then I painted the outsides black too. But that came out good. So now this thing's running good. The engine, you know, on borrowed time, and we're gonna try to use that time and see if I can even get this sucker home.